enti PhD holder nana Jantuah abusia obekasa wo kire mu se ohwe sene achichi ne ade esi koso je mama mu second term ya. In fact Mahama oya intolerant government oya intolerant president. In fact when it comes to free speech Mahama put free speech under siege. Mama on kire mu no akire wadwene amame e wo comment section ayi penya block media mess wa say ni di mo over like video na down button subscribe button and click the notification icon of latest update aba kire wadwene da mame e wo comment section oba so a no check for enya bi ahwe you know when fan kwa akire Onu say abra na NPP for etia konwa ne so no there were some arrests ya a course wo ema nipa ni bia say omu kan nsem bia na in fact e was omu nsem no omu supporting nsem no with evidence and nipa bi say kan nsem na nsem no e beta ko fa oye ne ene basabasa ya aboma ene mu enti chi wo mu e mu ba ko ne Captain Koje Smart o kai Captain Smart et me soro jan na so e di Ghana Armed Forces just soldiers we di wo mu nyina atem.
Serious. I told you for not doing the. Are you guys crazy? So that for more Ghana, yes, are you guys mad? Are you guys crazy?
Captain Smart.
Look, let me tell you, one day you remove that thing you are calling your uniform, you will become like me. We all become civilians. We'll show you where power lies. Oh, community. Are you guys mad? Are you guys crazy? We are talking so what? Come up for there.
Am I a no? Ontimi fa wo nko a mo ho safo hene enkasa memem se de wo ye be ma biama ye bechew soldiers omu na bo man no ho ba na se wo nko a no cause are you normal, are you crazy? One day you will take away your uniform and you be like us and you will see like threatening military people. Oh, forget it. And you go pick Captain Smart or hene ba bo ma beni oh what TV XYZ obe twatro obe ka se 2020 elections na ye be kono Ekufuado any the EC chair. Omu pese omu wiya abanimu. Eti amanfo enye careful. Okasa omu eye collaboration bia omu ba be wiya abanimu. Asem we na ehu because 2020 na election year. Eti okasa no. Ye ko peke ne say ohne mabo ama. Bra be kire mu. Onya won nsem ne fire hene. Why na ma with that information be support your argument no with fact. Nothing more. Emma 2022 no ye kwa chi bobiansa ne se bobiansa be kan se Akufuado yere the then first lady of the land Rebecca Akufuado one ba omia eyere the former second lady Samira ba omia bobiansa be kan se ayere no mienu we oma hwia omanya sase oma fa an illegal way oma capture state land e de yo man kasa property eni ekwachi no was untimi ntwantron to obi so ye kwachi bobi afese bobi bra be kire wunsemu wo konya wunsem no fire ne fa evidence bra ade a ye wo exhibit A no wo edi adanse fa bra be kire ye kwachi bobi ansa no ni evidence bia ye chi samjamfi be kan se ba omi ayere o tukwaya because say omu bo mine na bro se o man sika kwentu se ba omi ayere kra etuka so otukwaya ne convoy edi na chi no there's a full saloon car just a Porsche car V8 Land Cruiser a edi a chire a car na de awom just makeups just say makeups car ma ena edi ne convoy achi
na be de chiri ba womi o man penya be de che ba womi ana yere a o ka say my husband is an economic waste kid and now nimzo no so ne convoy ye wo brand new Land Cruiser di mu a eno so so nyema ni nyema eso eso nyema uni nyema eso makeup or one full Land Cruiser for makeup artist.
Oh, Jawas.
Me say check. Oh, check.
I mean,
me na maka say me say check. One full Land Cruiser makeup artist ne team. Ena in Kenya na yeso to omo so no. Ehim. Ahwehwe o de hwe nanim ehim. How da
ni abeti o se bra beti na uni evidence as ye che me. 2022 no. Yes akwachi ohene mapa ma beni. Kasema no kotia the then attorney general. Okoslamda attorney general. Ko kasa twitwie editia attorney general ma ye chie no ye che ne bo ne ka ese ontua 3000 cedis ye remand no for 2 weeks but almost ye jail obi 2 weeks ube don't say ye jail obi 2 weeks that ye remand no for 2 weeks ana ma ye ka ontua 3000 enya no but ene ndizefo omu ene saa nkɔfo nyinaa gusu ka sɛ NPP tam yɛkye NPP tam yɛkye Captain Smart yɛkye Bobi Ansa yɛkye Ohima Bɔn Bɛni yɛkye wei mumusa sɛ ɔmo yɛ dɛn no busa ka ho sɛ ɛdɛn na ɔmo yɛ yɛkye mo yɛ dɛn were you just criticizing the government and I said what did you do were you lying and now were you inciting people against the government then na ɔyɛ yɛkye mo nkanka ho na mo nya yɛkye Captain Smart ɛna yɛkye wei Captain Smart wo do na ba wonsa for hene o di a whole military wo do mu nyina tam keka nkwa asem kyerɛ sɛ abɛkye wa o nti ase sɛ agufo de bɛkye me hwa de bɛkye wo hwa na kye wo Bobi Ansa obetwa tro ɛsɛ agufo de yere ɛne bɔ omia yere awie ɔman asase ɛde ye project wo ni evidence na bɛkye wa wo ndinkie nya oni twa tro to bi sɛ obi di no ɛyɛ na wasoma bɔbɔ adam ya bɛkye wa asɛ NPP tam yɛkye me wa bɔdam yɛkye wan ma mudi mu nkwase asɛm na kye mu amusɛm bibita yɛ kye ma ka de wo yɛ ka ho ɔhene wabo ama Polytank Mr Polytank Mr Polytank yɛ call election 2020 utim be ka sɛ Akufo ni EC chair no o mu yɛ collaboration person o mu yɛ elections ni mu na ka person kan na yɛ fa ofa hu dia na sɛ de we is a criticism is this na ni say ko betimi akɔse ntɔkɔ wɔ man ni mu na sɛ abɛkye wa wo so won ti ase every bit time yɛ kye wa bɔdam yɛ kye wan mudi nkwaso na chima asem bita yɛkye me yɛkye hwan abusia saa nsɛm no mu kana no obɛkia 2022 and there was a video be pop up on the internet and say a school for SHS for nkora bi a omko school wo Chiana Senior High School na you know Chiana ewo Kasena Nankane West District ewo Upper East region ni mu what say Kasena Nankane West District ewo Upper East Chiana Senior High School ɛhɔ na video bi appear by na enkora a school for nkora maya omu di Akufo atem ka che Akufo de se ye peniti kra da jiska duro
we need your help for money ritual. Akufo, we need your help for money ritual. You open your cat and say, you are sitting down there with your big head that you are president. President for the way. You are not my president. I'm my own president. Your hair like that. Your hair.
And sema nkromu ka kire Akufo na enye nsem kuma ema because of that no na say school ni din abamu the school no e dia homete eyi nkura na di be no kura no nkura sa be patch
Please, they sack us from the school. We are well to the house. Please help us. This is my brothers and sisters that are taking care of me. This is my future. I don't know what to do again.
This is our future. Please forgive us. We are really sorry.
General Science 2A, we were the people that did the video insulting Nana Akufo-Addo, our president, from China Senior High School, and we are here to beg. They call us today for a meeting.
ema Akufo ka say omu mfra nkura ne nsamre school enne ana ka sa nkura we video ba ya me se ba now no anga kura bia 10 billion 1 million Ghana cedi da kura bia tire so enne ka aga 1 million cedis 10 billion e da kura bia tire so ai se de twa ma by ma se mama to se mahama to ma mahama to anka ne 10 billion 1 million Ghana cedi bi da kura bia tire so ba go fara nyo bi ahwe Akufo anya kura bi ahwe wanyo mu ahwe and even those one on two no ya check Captain Smart mo omude omu nkwa aspe chi chi omu na de no Mahama came to condemn such act say ade the Akufo chi journalist o chi omu no ye free speech and all can share no ho ya ebegu nanimu ase ni ade nti wonyai say obi kan sem bia osmakwache no obi kan say ofiri say enye ne da osmakwache no Akufo enyai Mahama e de krata ba bontina obe blast Akufo-Addo. He never condemned the action of Captain Smart in Romu one condemn but Akufo-Addo be blame you know say Akufo-Addo you see the state power to intimidate or to silence the media, to silence anybody who criticizes the government. Mahama ebe the character we eba abontene. And Mahama can say or the reset agenda eba. Now reset agenda and say Akufo the time Captain Smart the military attempt ye cheno enti Mahama me time de. So be the military attempt ye nche reset and say Akufo-Addo time Bobi Ansa se betwa tro se Akufo-Addo yere ene ba omi ayere awie oman asase ye che no enti reset say Mahama open so because say Mahama yere area state lander. And it's what no because all the reset eba. So be the police at table. It is our chino. We say Captain Smart Eddie so as far to make what chino no. O condemn me. It o condemn me the arrest. It means say reset me say so be this way as attempt to yen chino. But the question yes sir. Arrest a question. Doom so is back with Mahama picture. I'm watching the crowd not possible. Aye. But I say when they are. Bibia na kwachi so be condition dey man for no TikToker nya man 1 billion nya maybe 10 billion mama say Mahama Matthew say Mama Matthew akura chi na say ya man 10 billion be condition 10 billion si wontua 10 billion 10 billion 10 billion say TikTok and da kura no ontua nya so be condition ko so a ano interman na say kura no enam ye update bi from Media Foundation for West Africa. Omo a survey. No say arrest 16 months in office under John Mahama Akoswo. It is more than the arrest Akoswo under the 8 years leadership of Akufo-Addo. For 8 years, Nipa Akufo-Addo Mahama at the 60 months actually more than that. Let's say free speech no ye can't share under Mahama time. Ye can't free speech actually under Mahama time. Now no, I'm not Jantuah who don't see there be ada Mahama air no. One can be a Mahama air sell man. To way any 7 na Jantuah air can.
Person me can say NDC for a did attempt kasetwitwiri eye de omo benefit here. Omo use nkrofo di attempt.
Okay.
Omo guswa use certain people to insult. What you say?
Yes.
Their media affiliated whatever. No? They use some of them to insult, and we know a public knowledge.
Yeah.
Will benefit ya will share when yaje. Mo can yoma west.
Abia mo opposition.
I will move opposition. Nana Akufo-Addo take action on certain things. We all spoke against said there be man kwanye man kofo nti o madwen. Because we are advocates of human rights.
Exactly.
What they say na Akufo-Addo time na ye nipa ba ko joy na so nyina say aye problem.
Oh. Bona sum fetchiri.
And see, we spoke and stood against Sir Tyranny.
And in fact, the NDC in opposition spoke against it. You know what I say?
Yeah.
But now, what are they doing?
What I'm saying is that I am me. But I'm a politician. President John Mahama. I can bear 2 years. Kakrebio now Tamasu. He said 2 years in your chuma. The Aken na bonus. 4 years pay. You should not allow the food soldiers. Makache say, so who be lose a food soldiers no ma high producer wo ya deal.
Yo.
Because you have started well, you are very conscious. But I say, oh yes, we. Oh, what shall I say here? But you see, when Ghanaians start talking, after the second year, be careful because your second year no, and I'm going to say Kasai. These people do not know the history. That from 2013 to 2014. People started talking. And now, young Piasa and Uncle for defend it, sir. You started well. Che, Abronian Samawakan. Me were dimatem. Yeah, Abronia. Wakikan Yoma Basama. What you say? Also now Shiwi. And what? Oh no, maybe problem is a judge who did in attempting as a phone. But we have people who have insulted judges. What you say? And you will be me, I've spoken against it.
Yeah.
But my problem is that one chairman lose focus say Obi Kwaka say president, Yebekuno, president, or Jimmy, president will say now police for in the name of that, you know.
Because you said those things must not be allowed.
But what I'm saying is that the people who are defending that approach did not stop. They used that approach
back then.
Okay. And that is why lady ayatini metie a Baptist. But utie ni other video say mama Kevin Taylor did comfortable go to the attempt and tell you baby
and they will be here almost
let's understand this thing. Let us not be hypocrite and I understand it because the point is that if constantly saying I went hard on Kevin Taylor.
Well,
you insult President Kofo. That's one yare. No, we say. We na nasa be checks and your memoir do na false. Yes. You want to paint a picture. report okofa baaye Ghana at 50 report on the bay. Ghana at 50 report never ever, and I stated never ever implicated and now say indicted President Kufuor. Chief of staff in PENYAH and a Rekubrubi and indict you. And Ukraine Ghana 50 secretariat, not Jubilee House. Not Jubilee House. Ghana at 50 secretariat.
Not the Jubilee House.
Not the Jubilee House. But we painted picture ma obi a onim history you know. Hey!
President Kufuor say.
My point was that so Baba analyzes so you incompetent we say
for facts.
For facts. What you say? But to say so you're a criminal. Right? Okay, so a criminal. When to me and Mafa to be a chess because the moment okay to be a criminal.
Competent court to be declared a criminal. And I'm a judgment be a chess or a criminal. Criminal offense has been involved.
And since 2008.
This conversation about free speech now there day. Maybe who is on both devices they are complicit. But don't you think we must get to that point where we must deal with politics?
What I'm saying is that they should not be the people to be defending the actions of the police.
Okay.
That is my only worry. There will be here. I don't have a problem. But you see, the point where what Mecca say, free speech must come with responsibility. And no, he.
Because maybe a term now the defender.
Who does so yeah, or be what does so you'll be ready at me or can't say who defending us all can day. Now no yeah raising issue say free speech in two catch will be so one yare no I said that not a you hit him. Do you know the case?
So much on this.
You see, I'm saying sir, let them see.
Okay. But the boss.
Let them see. By a young crack.
You didn't do it, you man on your side.
I know see a young crack. When you're this in a do picture a abobo a John Mahama ne mammy picture aboho. When you're this in now men so me the President Mahama picture boho na de be a me dinner tem and I'm yes here. You think say
and you're fine.
And you're fine. What you say? The moment I do be picture beboho no. Ni sunsumo ho. Na no me catch you. It means to me fa enye bibia. My point is simple.
Yeah.
Me say free speech. People can say whatever they want to say. But if I don't come America, no, you go to America. Whoever read this free speech, me share something.
Okay.
Free speech. Share America. President Trump. Obi ke kana asem no so ke kabia chi on fa ho no say. That is how we are talking about.
That's democracy, you know.
What do I say? There have been many times both NDC and NPP Akasetia judges. Share Mahama Yariga.
Majority leader.
Okasetia judge. Okachim so muni adwene.
Afenye make so akọ attack judge.
We so attack.
Ade ne ye ho sa o mind ba.
Obi di obi atem. We di na na Akufo atem.
Yesu di John Mahama.
Yesu di John Mahama atem.
Ayo now oka hoops and story bi chem say kum Mahama 2016.
Mini ahosin.
Sabe je fi so opposition o mo di bi na na kum na do mai.
But you see me o share social media. The omu nta oba Ashanti sa anyoma no. The omu ka hey no. Obi amfa ho. Nobody is even thinking about these things so.
Sir.
What they are called grounds. People are working. But my point is that few people be discussing. Be discussing unemployment. Be discussing job opportunity. What they discussing speech. What I'm just saying is, President John Mahama, be careful. Respectfully. Because we dey nyama hasa na police for. Kana na ko for the do baby I can. Oh, me dey
me say abuche interview no so. Ko Ghana dey as I dey give himself.
Ai, me aka sa. It President John Mahama because oh no, police na you medjua. Emra na dey here.
But President, you must be worried.
Nope, you see, and I've said that politicians in Shiade. Na me see we now na dey any say Nincroft no because we yade. President John Mahama, Nincroft because we yade. Oh, twaso. We are tuomo. They need to then, but the whole you are building the base for NPP.
Oh, how are they building?
Yes, the moment we are there noise. Camera ne be jina omoso. Umenya time akasa and be news.
Especially when neutrals like you and Manasseh begin to talk.
Be news. Enti okoye no. News e beka nyina the whole Ghana 6 o'clock na. Na be say, JFK say, NPP Ponifo say, Manasseh say.
Ni Mahama ni ebo.
Ni nyina ni ebo di Mahama no ahya ase achechi ya etum no. Etum se kurase wo no. Obo se enne news ni nyina be something against Mahama.
Go tonko 14 say we go back o may anything be.
Me dey make us out.
So communication
because me anopa me kwa me ni obi na trem. Papa no utia obenso no kra na me yesi John Mahama yesi. And sanyoma no omo dey chat true.
No because Manase so pay Mahama asem, but he feels ashamed about what Mahama.
Na say President John Mahama me penase.
But are you also ashamed of?
I am more than ashamed.
And you are disappointed.
I am disappointed because enya IGP asem eyewo me say na Akufo dey drew maybe obi yin do say I'm not interested munjai.
Ojai man ko.
Sometimes we yes na we yes an woman nipa no kra ni awu.
Chede wadwe mame e wo comment section. Ayi penya block media. Agra.